Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video on app guide, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can log into your IRL account. So if you are on IRL and are having conversation with either your friends, families, having really wonderful group chats or anything as such, and are wondering how you can log into your account, I'm going to show you how exactly you can do that. So for this, first of all, open up your IRL app. And as you do so, you will land on an interface that looks like this, where you'll be asked to either get started or to log in. Since you've already signed up for the account, tap on the login button. And now what you have to do is you'll have to enter your phone number. So for that, first of all, select your country and then enter your phone number and then tap on the arrow. Then head over to the email section, and in the email section also type in your email address that's associated to your account. Then tap on the arrow again. After doing that, it says that a code has been sent to you. So now go to your Gmail and see if you've received any sort of verification code from IRL in order to verify that it is you who's trying to log into your own account. So here I've received the code. I'm just going to copy it, head back to the app, and then paste the code over here. And after doing that, I will now be directed towards another interface where it will show that I have now been logged into my account. So this is basically how you can log in. It's a very simple process, and I hope that by following these step-by-step instructions, you'll be able to log in yourself. If you found this video helpful, do let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, subscribe to App Guide, and hit that bell notification so that you are reminded each time that we upload a new tutorial video. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you around next time.